Hello everyone. So today we'll be working on a BMW 520 diesel E60 M47 engine. So it's from 2007. I already removed the cover from the engine. The issue that I'm having with this, it's related to e-gear. So let me show you exactly what I'm talking about, the symptoms. It's starting and it's sometimes the engine dies by itself. It's accelerating very hard sometimes. So let's see. Let's give her a minute and we'll see exactly. Okay, so it started. Let's see. If you can see at the thermometer how it drops and then comes back to normal. Or if you hear the engine, so for example now I have the pedal down, all the way down. Now it works fine. Don't mind that engine light in the dashboard, because for 2 days I had to drive the car and I found a solution to drive it, to be able to drive it, but after that I got the engine light in the dashboard, and I'm gonna show you what was the trick to be able to drive it normal without cutting off at the traffic lights or anything like that. And now it's in the gear, so almost the engine died. Neutral, drive, and it died. Right, I'll turn this thing back on, and now I'm gonna show you what was the trick that I've done to be able to drive it without any issues. On the side here at the e-gear we have this vacuum hose. I removed this and now it doesn't stall anymore. It doesn't cut the power, it doesn't go off anymore at the traffic lights or anything. And the error that I was getting on the dashboard, on the tester, I'm using a Think Diag 2. It was boost pressure sensor, which is situated here at the back. I bought a new one, changed it, but didn't do anything. So then I went to the conclusion it's the gear valve. Right? So now what we are going to do is it will be cleaning the gear valve completely. So we're going to clean the gear valve, and hopefully the whole thing mechanism here inside it will work properly when I put the hose back, because now I have the engine light in the dashboard saying emissions increased, because I was driving without this, yeah, to be able to drive it. And now we'll see. And the other thing that I'm going to do in the future, it will be an EGR delete kit, that I'm gonna delete everything, and EGR cooler as well, and I'm gonna blank it there, here straight pipe. And one more thing I'm going to do today, it will be removing the water pump and put it back, because I changed it, and when I changed it I didn't use silicone, and I have a very tiny leak which I need to get it sorted. Right, all that's been done. We have to remove this, to be able to take out the gear. Let's start it.